most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, it's great to be with all of you here as we get set to ring in the weekend, and it is going to be a wet one, at least today and tomorrow. Sunday will be drier, but it does turn windy. This is Millersburg this morning. Looking good now. It's cold again. Temperatures dropping into the 30s for most of us, although we've got Wormleysburg down to 29 degrees, 34 at Red Mill Elementary and Eddersboro facilities in Chambersburg, Franklin County at 34, and the St. Pat's School in Carlisle at 36 degrees. This is about even with where we've been most mornings, kind of right around the freezing mark in the low to mid 30s. We had some clouds roll in overnight. We are going to see some peaks of sunshine. I think some breaks in the clouds this morning, and then this afternoon looks wet. A line of showers is going to move in. Our afternoon looks damp, and then probably drying out in time for this evening again. York actually today, one of the warmer spots at 38 degrees. Hagerstown at 45, but everybody else in the mid 30s and dropping a bit. Lancaster's at 33. Lebanon at 36. Harrisburg officially is at 34 degrees. But as I said, don't worry. It's still going to be mild, at least today. We've been in the 50s the last couple of days. I expect to be back into the low 50s here today as well as we look at New Bloomfield Elementary School behind me. Yesterday we got to 54. So again, we've enjoyed some mild temperatures. The low yesterday, cold, 29. But remember, the normal lows should be in the low 20s right now. So again, I know it feels cold in the mornings, especially compared to the afternoons, but we've been above average here for this week. So showers are going to be moving in today ahead of a warm front, and we are going to be mild again. But tomorrow, a secondary low here that's situated back across the Four Corners region. That's going to draw in some rain from the south and some Gulf moisture. In addition to that, we're going to have an easterly flow, and that is going to lock in some cooler air here tomorrow. But if you have Friday evening plans, I think we will be dry tonight. It's just going to be cloudy and a bit damp, but look at the temperatures staying mild here into this evening. It's just going to be a little bit on the dreary side, but I don't think you'll need the umbrella if you have some dinner time plans here tonight, because watch what happens. We get a little cluster, a little line of showers here during the afternoon, and then it quickly exits by dinner time. Tonight, cloudy, and then tomorrow morning will be dry, but it's late morning into the afternoon. This is when the bulk of the rain is going to occur. It's going to linger into the evening. There could be some showers around, and then we will clear out on Sunday. Sunday will be a decent day, but it's going to be cool and windy with temperatures again around 40 degrees. So a little bit of a breeze today from the south. This should take us into the low 50s. You're going to notice it. I mean, it is going to be breezy here at times. Tomorrow, not breezy, but the winds start to shift and become easterly. That's going to make it feel cooler. And then on Sunday, downright windy here behind this storm. And this wind is going to have an impact on the Eagles game on Sunday, which, of course, is at 4:30. The 49ers coming to town. Big game, playoff game for the Birds. It's going to be a windy one in the stadium on Sunday afternoon. Rainfall amounts look pretty light today, maybe a tenth to a quarter of an inch, but we're going to add to that tomorrow. And I still think around a half inch of rain seems like a good bet here over the next couple of days. So, you know, a fairly decent soaker for us here. We could use the rain to start the year. It's just unfortunate it's coming over the weekend. Now, the extended outlook again showing next week, Farm Show week, pretty quiet. Maybe a sprinkle here on Wednesday and Thursday. And then all of a sudden now, we have to keep our eye on Martin Luther King Jr. Day weekend because some cold air is going to set up. And the question then becomes, can this storm system Sunday into Monday develop and bring us some wintry weather? We'll see. It's the first winter storm I've seen in the extended outlook in days. So right now, the focus is going to be on the rain Friday and Saturday, today and tomorrow. And then we're going to dry out, maybe just a sprinkle next Wednesday night or Thursday. Most of next week is still looking just fine. Here you can see the temperatures pretty seasonable, if not a little bit mild. But there's Martin Luther King Jr. weekend, and you can see the cold air that's going to be diving in here. Temperatures all of a sudden cooling down within a week. So we'll wait and see on that and see if we can get any wintry weather. Today, though, afternoon showers, going to be breezy at 51. Cloudy and damp tonight, although I think it stays dry, but it's just going to feel damp because more rain is coming tomorrow. Both Saturday and Sunday, temperatures seasonable, but it is going to feel cooler. We've been in the 50s this week. And then fairly mild again, Allie, as we've been talking about next week, mid to upper 40s for the farm show, and fairly quiet. So that's still holding true, and I think a nice week for the exhibits.
I need my car wash so that rain can come on down.
That's a good idea. Leave it out tonight and tomorrow. Yep.
All right, we'll be right back.